goes for this movement: control, hand placement, and keeping the legs off of the floor for the entire time. So that means every single set, do not allow the legs to hit the floor. Even if you're taking a break, stay in that 6-inch position. It is vital. Going into the second movement, keep the toes pointed up or forward, depends on what you want to work. Breathe and keep that tummy tuck. Last but not least, be sure to connect that elbow with the outside and the inside of the knee to go at a nice pace, but not too fast. And lastly, keep that hand behind the head the entire time. Do not jolt the neck or grab the neck. Simply place it and set it there so you can engage the entire abdominal cage. Please feel free to try these 3 exercises for the core and let me know how it goes, Astro Gang. I'm out.